gustong tumitogan kasi. Ayan,
Yung sinabi niya, yung kids on the block.
I want to meet my friend.
Dito pala yung new kids.
My friend here, Paulo. And it's Waller.
Hi, sir.
Okay, it's time to ride in this today.
Graham.
Ryan. It's all from Biscuit.
Connor, did you?
Alex.
Oh, do they have Facebook?
Connor.
Alam mo ba kung may Facebook?
You have Facebook?
Yes.
We're doing missions.
What's the mission?
Are you an agent?
Impossible naman yun. Impossible.
Missionary. You're a mission. Missionary. Ano ba yung title? Missionary. Missionaryo. Oh, missionary. Missionary. Very good. Very good. Yeah, very good. Very good. How long is it? How long is it?
Pakipay mo rin.
You join Paulo and Wally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay na.
Wala pa, hindi pa. Hindi pa kumakanta, oh.
Yan, may kakanta ba? Sige, yung ginagawa.
DJ Kanda. DJ Kanda, kakanta.
Parang, ngayon ko lang nakita si Paolo excited of music video. Grabe kayo.
DJ, may asawa na. Tatagay ka na kumakanta.
Medyo matagal.
Ano ang hanap buhay natin?
Ano pala si Tito?
Ayan. Ito ay answer na ito. Napalagalan ng babal. Hindi ka na namin masyadong makakatanungin, DJ, kakanta ka na kasi medyo maganda yung intindihin, ha? Okay, ito na, BNB number 1, DJ Handa! Okay guys, join!